Angel Kids TV. Pick up toys. Cleaning up their own toys or play area. Put clothes in the laundry basket. Simple task of sorting clothes. Help feed pets. Helping to fill the pet's food and water bowl. Wipe down surfaces. Using a damp cloth to wipe tables or counters. Making the bed. Straightening the blanket and pillows on their bed. Watering plants. Helping with houseplants using a small watering can. Sorting laundry by color. Assisting in sorting clothes into piles. Putting away dishes. Plastic dishes or cups they can safely put away. Vacuuming or sweeping. With supervision, kids can handle these tasks. Setting the table. Putting utensils, plates, and cups on the table before meals. Dusting. Dusting furniture and shelves. Fold laundry. Folding towels, socks, and clothes. Helping with meal prep. Washing vegetables, stirring, or assembling simple meals. Taking out the trash. Carrying small bags of trash to the bins outside. Cleaning windows or mirrors. With a child-safe cleaner. Mowing the lawn. Or assisting with other outdoor chores. Cleaning the bathroom. Scrubbing sinks, tubs, and wiping down counters. Cooking meals. Preparing more complex meals or baking. Changing bed linens. Stripping and making the bed with fresh sheets. Grocery shopping. Going with a parent or even doing it on their own. Cleaning out the fridge. Disposing of expired food and wiping shelves.